Welcome to Day 2 of 10 AI Tools Replacing Video Editors in 2026. Today we will be discussing Descript AI. Take a seat, let's dive right in.
Hello, welcome back. This is Alex. Let me show you something that breaks the traditional idea of video editing. With Descript, you edit a video by editing words on a page. Delete a phrase, just delete the words. Want to swap a word? Type something new and the video updates instantly.
For years, video editors worked inside complex timelines, cutting clips frame by frame, zooming into audio waveforms, and manually removing mistakes. It required experience, time, and patience. Descript removes that entire process. Edit video like a document.
Descript is an AI-powered, text-based video and audio editor. Instead of editing clips on a timeline, you edit a transcript, and the video edits itself automatically. If you delete a sentence from the text, that part of the video disappears instantly. It's like editing a doc, but
here's how it works. You upload your video or audio file into Descript. The AI instantly transcribes everything you say. From there, you simply edit the text. Remove filler words like or rearrange sentences, or delete mistakes. And Descript updates the video in real time. It can also
This is why Descript is replacing traditional video editors in 2026. There's no manual cutting, no timeline navigation, no technical learning curve. Editing becomes as simple as writing and proofreading text. If you can type, you can edit. That's it. Descript is changing the way video gets made, and it's
Descript is ideal for YouTubers, podcasters, online educators, and content creators who value speed and clarity. If your content is dialogue-based, this tool can replace an editor entirely.
Descript proves that in 2026, editing is no longer about timelines. It's about text. In the next video, I'll show you how AI can generate a human presenter without a camera or studio. Stay tuned.
Everything you've seen today is part of the digital future. And here on Think Digitalization, we break it down clearly. Subscribe, stay curious, and keep thinking digital.